Yazi abantu banokucabanga ukuthi mina ngi-against i-evolution, angifuni ukuthuthuka nezinto, ngistake emva emandulo, but that's not true. The reason why bacabanga njalo, it's because abantu bafuna i-evolution, but bafuna uku-evolve izinto zesintu abangazwisisiko. Into na uyi-evolvako ungayizwisisi, ulahla umnqopho wakhona. Isintu nasisakhako sisakha ngoba besifuna ukufinyelela i-African spirituality. So lokho nasowuphetha isikopilo lesintu but linganabo ubungomo, akusese yi-African spirituality, sekuyinto nje oyenzako. Ngizokwenza isibonelo. If ever mina ngingumelaphi wendabuko nofana ngimumuntu ngithi mina ngifuna ukwenza isikopilo lokuhlambulula umuntu ngokomkhumbulo. Ukuhlambulula umuntu ngokomkhumbulo ukuthi abukele inlwana kanye nemvelo, intshalo imvelo as a whole ukuze ahlambululeke. Kodwana ekubukeleni kwakose ayibukele akhamba, and nakakhamba nje move from one place to another, and kube mhlambe kube isikhathi esipheze kuyibe yi3 hours, ne? Ngilo isikopilo engilakhawo. Ngithi mara into engibethawo ukuthi i3 hours le umuntu uzogcina adiniwe nakazokukhamba 3 hours or move from one place to another nge3 hours, and akafanele ukuthi ahlale phansi aphumule kose abe in motion. So now ngizoku-introduce i-transport isithuthi. I think introduce idonki udumbana. So udumbana na ukhwele phezu kwakhe akususa la akusa eSiyabuswa uzokuthatha 3 hours, and ezabubukela imvelo begodu into le sifuna ukuyi-achieve umnqopho of which kuhlambulula ingqondo yakho kuzokuba successful. Why? Because uyakhona ukukwenza lokho ngani within 3 hours. Bese umuntu we-evolution uyafika athi kimi no, because njengo-2025 izinto zithuthukile, asiyikhipheni idonka, kusenomuntu osebenzisa idonka amalanga la, asifakeni isiphaphamtjhini. Bese ngithi mina isiphaphamtjhini asifakwa. Why singafaki isiphaphamtjhini? It's not because angifuni ukuthuthuka nofana izinto ezihle ngistake emuva. It is because now ukhwele isiphaphamtjhini number 1, isiphaphamtjhini angekho ukhambe ngaso for mhlambe ngithi na usuke la eTofontein uye Siyabuswa akusabi 3 hours, mhlambe siba less than those hours. Therefore isikopilo lelo liyathikamezela. Okwesibili ukuthi na ukhwele isiphaphamtjhini angeze usabona inlwane nenjalo imvelo leyo, uzokubona amafu. Therefore umkhumbulo wakho awusahlambulukeki, of which ngiyinto esifuna ukuyi-achieve la ngesikopilo leli. Therefore isiphaphamtjhini silimaza isikopilo leli esilakhileko thina. Kungakho kufanele ukuthi singayi-evolve into le. Manje abantu into abangayizwisisiko ngilokho. Abantu ababazi ubungoma, abantu abazi African spirituality, kodwa bafuna ukuchugulula izinto zesintu. Baqabanga ukuthi ungasusa umthombo ureplace nge-oats for instance. Baqabanga ukuthi into le yokuseva i-purpose efanayo, ayisevi i-purpose efanayo. Umthombo ne-oats azifani, angeke zivuke zifanile, akusi ilo kanje eyi-1. Nasi i-practical example. Isithimba somntazana senziwa ngesikhumba sembuzi. The reason why senziwa ngesikhumba sembuzi, it's because isikhumba sembuzi sivula imbeleko. Njani ukuthi nangabe si-faila sikhona ukumkulumaka umntazana lo. Kungakho isikhumba sembuzi umntazana nakasimbathaka edinini same time uye ema-dating, nangaba akayisikhathini uye esikhathini. Sometimes even it-disturba nama-period lawo uye kayi-2 ema-dating. Why? Because umbethe isikhumba sembuzi of which sithimba leso siyakuhlambulula. Na unamahlwili ayaphuma, na unegazi elifeyila liyaphuma. Umnqopho wokuthi sisebenzise isikhumba sembuzi senze isithimba ngilokho. Azange siberegise se-Springbok, azange siberegise se-Dube which is a zebra, sibe specific. Bese umuntu we-evolution afike athi no, isikhumba sembuzi into yakade, jama singathenga itapeti le marabastata siyisike itapeti leyo senze ilo kanje isithimba of which into abayivunulawo nje abantazana bequde ngathi uyaqala akusiza inkhumba into ziyablenka yitapeti yiplastic and iplastic ayinabo ubungoma bokuhlambulula imbeleko to cleanse the womb abunabo iplastic amarunga imbatha ayikho into ezokwenzeka ngembeleko yakho of which kusho ukuthi into le yokuvunula isithimba seyonakele into le oyivunulile kona akusesengiso isithimba umbethe iplastic of which nangabe into le ayisaserve purpose then why fanele ukuthi usivunule abantu be-evolution into abangayizwisiko ngilokho if ever mina ngikubuza ngithi kuwe khuyini mhlambe isizathu nofana ireason yokuthi kuvunulwe isithithirimba uzongitshela ukuthi amadoda angabibulanzi bangabonela bavale kodwana akusile iqiniso lelo wona uqabanga ukuthi isithithirimba senze lokuthi indoda sikhona ukuthi sisivale indunu namahlwayi angabonelwa njalo angabi nude angabe yabo into ezifana lezi angabi naked kodwana akusilo iqiniso lelo isithithirimba sinama spiritual reasons or siseva ipurpose ethile emzimbeni wendoda ngaphasi kwesikopilo lengoma kungakho kunama degrees kunebhetha kunesithithirimba ibhetha nesithithirimba azifani ibhetha lifani nesithithirimba ibhetha livunula mlisana aka umsana mumuntu ongakagwabi isithithirimba sivunula lisokana nofana mhlambe ngubaba why because ubungoma ispirituality somsana ngaphasi kwesintu sesindebele asifani nespirituality sendoda nofana not sendoda kusigameli right lelo sesokana nofana sika baba akufani so into ezingikho kuba nama degrees ngathani into lesayenzela ukuthi umuntu azivale kuphela ukuthi angabibulanzi bengeze kube nebhetha nesithirimba bese uzokuba nesikhumba nje esithize sisithiye ngendlela sisithiya ngayo bese simane simbathwe because vele ufihlile na ufihlile kufihlile as long as ufihlile akunakinga sokana akunakinga msana vele besifuna lokho but ama reasons ukuthi kube nesithithirimba akusukuthi kose bafihle indunu zabo namahlwayi ukuthi bangabi lokhanje they are spiritual reasons under ingoma yokuwela so now ama reason la na ungawaziko kukwenza ukuthi uqabange ukuthi isithithirimba ungasenza ngeplastic isithithirimba ungathatha itapeti usike ufake wahamisa uvale uvalile ndaba ezitha ukuthi awu understand ukuthi umnqopho wesithithirimba yini umnqopho webhetha khuyini so that is the problem now enginayo mina nawe yabo so abantu be-evolution into babetha ukuthi abazwisisi ispirituality and i-African culture nayingana spirituality akusese yi-African culture everything ku-African culture ine purpose yobungoma ngombani i-African culture siyenze sihlaziya imvelo ukuze umuntu alawule nguzimakhe nofana ahlangane nozimakhe nangabe isintu asisenzi ukuthi umuntu ahlangane nozimakhe kuthi ukuthi akusesengiso isintu into leyo gama ningasayenza kunomnqopho ukuthi umalukazana kufanele ukuthi akhambe kancane nakangena kuphi ekha kwakhe akufanelanga ukuthi akhambisa akufanelanga ukuthi agijime so when you cannot say ya kade bengana nkoloyi nje kunekoloyi umalukazana umkamloga mara ngangena ngeMercedes Benz sibetha amabheli bekayokufika ngentendeni zakhe no why because kunomnqopho ukuthi kufanele ukuthi anyanyathe akhambe kancane agada ngephasi kancane kunomnqopho waloko spiritual reasons for that akhona ama reason walapho so nasewona uthi ufuna umfake ekoloyini umkhambise ngekoloyi nandi spina angene ngombana wona uyakhona unemali siya evolve seku 2025 iMercedes Benz ya exist then awusafinyelela umnqopho loya ebesifuna ukufinyelela ngokuthi akhambe kancane therefore into like say i-African culture ngombana ayisasave i-African spirituality ngiyo ke into yenza ukuthi abantu balahleke bese nasilwa nabo kube ngathi thina sifuna ukuthuthuka ya ulungile akafuna ukuthuthuka usitake ku-1800 hey abantu abama-traditionalist aba-understand the-evolution everything evolves with time no izinto nazi-evolvayo kose umake sure ukuthi akulahleki umnqopho angeze wa-evolva into ongayizwisisiko nasithe umdoko wabakhethwa wenziwa ngethanga sinama-reason ukuthi why isikhetha ithanga you cannot come and say okay mara eShoprite bathengisa umdoko lo opinki gamara sithathe wona badle wona awusasave gamara siwenze ngama-strawberry gamara siwenze ngama-apple umdoko no akusimdoko kune-reason ukuthi kuba yini sikhethe ithanga i-spirituality sethanga ama-benefits wethanga ngilo eziconvince abalaphi bendabuko ukuthi bayikhethe into le bayipresent to ama-custodians of culture and say ndaba ezithangwenyamo whatever lokhu ukudla ekufanele kudliwe mkhetho because of this and this and this when someone you cannot come and say mara njena izinto sezilula eShoprite uyakhona ungena uthenge umdoko uyangazi umdoko wenziwa yini nje yabona imdoko le yabantwana le pinki lesithenge labo kwekwezimsi utha naloyo musi and ululu ufaka amanzi achisa kuhle thuthu because you cannot say that because ayisa save ilo ipurpose leyo you understand so wena nasilwa bese mina nangilwa ngithi into enje ayenziwa njalo into le kwesingalahlwa kube ngathi mina ngistuck emuva kube ngathi angifuna ukuthuthuka why it is because when I understand ama reasons and by the time you think African culture or African traditions are outdated or are irrelevant it is because when awunalo ilwazi ngespirituality sesikopilo lelo hayi ukuthi African culture elimeleko nguwe wena ulimele ngokomkhumbulo ngokungazi inzathu zalapho ngokungazi ispirituality yesikopilo lelo so African culture angeze yaba outdated African culture African traditions will never be outdated or irrelevant why because they were not built endweni ezichuguluka njengama feelings nemakhiwo sinayo no they were built phezkwento engachugulukiko which is imvelo ayichuguluko as long as ilanga licheli iAfrican culture angeke ichuguluke as long as ilanga licheli iqude liyoba lohlezi li-relevant as long as inyezi nayikhanyako iba zinqephe beyigqwale shukuthi isikopilo lokuwela lohlezi li-irrelevant because indwezi sizakha saqala inyezi saqala ilanga saqala ihlabathi yakhona sayoqala nentshalo ukuze senze si-implement abo numerology abo astrology astronomy whatever these things ozazi ngesikhuwa zikhona esindweni sesindebele manje ngoba because of you've never gave yourself time to research to analyze isindu awazi ama-reason akhona so you cannot just come and say yeah ingoma seyi-irrelevant ayikho into eqakathekileko ngengoma yokwela yokuthomba nofana yokwenda whereas ilanga lisesejeli so the day isindu siba irrelevant siba outdated and thina siba abantu sithi no into leyo asistopeni sakheni enye religion or okhunye esingaconnecta nakho it is the day sivuka sithola ngaliblue sithola utshani bupinki sithole ikomo ipaypool yabona ngelangelo sithi siyayihlaba ikomo sithola ingana nyongo sihlaba imbuzi sithola ingana mswana is the day sizokusho ukuthi no into la isekho igwaba lisekho ngombana ilo imbuzi ayisana mswana ayisana nyongo igwaba alisabi khona so imngoma sayivala but as long as imvelo sisenjalo indwezi angeke zaba outdated so when I say indwezi wena awunalwazi lesindu angikuthuki I'm simply saying akhange khoziphe isikhathi sohubhulula ngesindu and then awuhubhulula ngesindu wathola ama reason adila ngephysicality ngephysical world wazi ukuthi umuntu loyo ukutshela amala ama reason wesindu aba spiritual woke because isindu sisakha ngombana sifuna ukufinyela spirituality when you become spiritually powerful nomzimba wakho uya align it is forced ukuthi ube healthy as long as spiritual ungasi healthy nemzimbeni angeze waba healthy. Wathoma wagadangeleka ngokomkhumbulo bane depression nomzimba uyasafara, umbala wakho uyachange, isikhathi sakho siyastopa, uyaslima, wenzana umzimba nawo it is forced ukuthi utlhage, ulimale, ugule. Why? Because spiritually you are not okay, psychologically you are not okay, mentally you are not okay. So yinto enjalo ke. So now the difference between me and you, or abantu abavane bangiphikise when every time I speak about African culture baqabanga ukuthi into ezi outdated, I'm stuck emandulo, it is because abazi African spirituality. And isangoma esingazi isintu mara athena ulapha isintu, ulapha siphi? How are you a traditional healer? Which traditions are you healing? Because if you cannot explain things, the African culture, then kusho ukuthi ubungoma bukanzinzi ngaphakathi kwakho. Ngoma nangabe uphikisana nezinto ze-African culture, whereas you claim to be a spiritualist, then you're not really an African spiritualist. Maybe you are a Buddhist or uyi spiritualist sokuhlanga obunye, mhlambe ubuye emakhuweni or emachineni or kuphi mara ebantwini nangithi abantu ngikhuluma ngabantu ama-beings ane-melanin awubelong kibo abantu lapho. You cannot. So everything lokho isikopilo noma konofana kulobolo, because people even ama-misconceptions welobolo ngelinye, but sizoyenza ivideo khona manengi to show ukuthi abantu aba-understand ukuthi ilobolo kuyini, why bantu bavela nama-theory wabo. But you know what, we will discuss it. For now, let me just close this video. I wanted to address indaba leyo. It's evolution versus African culture. You can never evolve something you do not understand. The day you evolve something, mele umake sure wenza isiqiniseko sokuthi i-purpose yesikopilo lelo isaseveka na. It is still served. If it is still served, then you can continue. If you're saying ngifuna ukukhipha isiphila, no, ngifuna ukukhipha amabele, ngifake isiphila, and then uqala ukuthi i-purpose akhona iyasevekana. If it is served, then you can continue. If kuyathikamezeke into leyo ungayenzi. If awukhona ukuthola inzathu awazi ukuthi ini khuyini, then don't even attempt uku-evolve into leyo. So izinto eziningi ze-African culture ziyalimala when you try to evolve them, because the African culture yakhetha specific izinto ezithize ukuthi ziseve indwe amasikopilo layo. Nasikhetha imbuzi besiqinisile, nasikhetha ivunulo yengwenyama sithi isikhumba sesilwane siso ngisengwenyama. We are very specific. And kunengikhumba umfazi angazivunula, hayi ngoba kune patriarchy, because zivala imbeleko, ubhalelwa kubeletha once wazimbathe inkhumba lezo. So inkhumba eziningi kunenilwana ezi very masculine, ziduna khulu even in their nature, ele ekujangele emangweni nanoma zisikazi kuma female leopards nanani, but still ngendlela zakheke ngakhona zinobuduna obu too much. They are very masculine. Therefore naso uyithatha wena uyivunula iyakuthikameza, as ithikameza ama chakras wakho as a woman. So that's why ivunulo ikhethiwe, yakhethwa like specific. Ivunulo yengwenyama ngeyengwenyama, yenkosi ngeyenkosi, yakababa ngeyakababa, yesangoma ngeyesangoma, yomntwana ngeyomntwana. So you cannot say mara inzipha neporeyana kuyafana musi nawe indoda. No, iyesavuma indoda, mara kukosukuqala ukuthi ngubaba nofana usokana, aziserve ipurpose a1 unfun spiritual. So yeah, asivalene, ngiyathokoza. Do not skip the ads if you are watching this from YouTube. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share. And yeah, that is African culture versus evolution, which I sometimes call destruction. Yeah,